Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up React application. For React, we need two things installed. One is Node.js and second is text editor. You can download Node.js from nodejs.org. Just download this package and get it installed. For text editor, I'll recommend you to use VS Code. You can download VS Code from visualstudio.microsoft.com. After these two setup, let's come back to terminal and check which version of Node we have installed. To check this, we need to type node-v command, which will give you which version of Node.js we have installed in our system. So currently we have Node 12.18.3 installed in our system. To create React app, we need to do three simple steps. Step number 1. Use npx create react app command to create React app and React app related package in our system. Second, we need to use cd command to come back to our application location. And the third, we need to use npm start command to start our first React app. Let's go back to terminal and try these three steps. We will run npx create react app command followed by our app name. For this video, I'll keep my first React app name as hello world. So we'll use npx create react app command followed by my app name to create our React app package. After successful installation of React application, let's go back to our React application, which is hello world. And run command npm start to start our application. After running npm start, our first React app application will start on localhost 3000. After successful installation of React application, let's check our folder structure. So the hello world is our React application name. Inside hello world, we have node modules, public folder, and source folder. Inside source folder, we have index.js, app.js, app.css, and app.test.js. Inside app.js, you can change some text to see the updated text in your website. I have done some changes. Let's save this file and see what we have. Hey UI tidbits. So this change is reflecting in our website. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.